How to add a banner image to your Discord profile. Adding a banner image to your Discord profile is a great way to personalize your account. To do this, open Discord and click on the gear icon at the bottom left to access user settings. Next, select user profile from the menu. If you have Discord Nitro, you'll see an option to upload a banner image. Click change banner and select the image file you want from your computer. Once you upload your banner, you can reposition it if needed to fit your profile's layout perfectly. When you are satisfied, click Save Changes. Use a banner image that complements your avatar and profile theme to create a cohesive look. Do you use a banner on your profile? Tell me what kind of banner you choose in the comments below. Adding a banner is an easy way to make your Discord profile stand out and feel more personal. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.